We've really been wanting to install a new chandelier in this room up here. And so luckily I got this chandelier sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. The nice thing about this chandelier here is that it's actually got a ceiling fan in there. So we get some nice air circulating in here as well as we get these beautiful lights. I mean, look at that. So we get some nice breeze in here blowing down from it as well. And look at the lights on there. Oh, wow, that is absolutely amazing. That is so beautiful. I love the way all the lights reflect in there all over the ceiling and everything. Look at all those lights up there. Oh, that is beautiful. This is a really beautiful chandelier. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take down this old ceiling fan. So I need to go and turn the power off so that I can disassemble this ceiling fan and disconnect it there from the outlet. All right, now that we got all the wires disconnected, we can just lift this up and pull it off. So here's all the stuff you get in here. There's the user's manual there on how to put it all together. So it looks like a pretty good manual there. Got a little bag of hardware. You got a couple extra pieces here for the chandelier. Got your little remote baggie there. You got the chandelier here, and it's got the fan inside here with the motor so that it can connect to the house power here. You're going to have your AC in, your neutral wire, and then you're going to have your AC in L for your hot wire, your line wire there. So those are pretty well marked. Those will just connect to your house wires. And then you're going to have some wires here. Looks like all this is already wired here. So you really don't have to do anything for this. All you have to do is connect it to your house wires there. And then here's your mount to connect it to. So that's got your mount there. You just kind of unscrew those on the side there so that you can loosen it up, and then you connect that copper wire to the ground wire in the ceiling. So this should be pretty easy to put together. When you're unboxing this, make sure you look in all your little cubbies there, because you got a lot of parts and stuff in there. So make sure you get everything out of the box. All right, I connected the ground up in there to the copper to the ceiling, and I just connected it with a little wire nut there. And I got the red here to connect to the line in the chandelier, and I got the white here to connect to the neutral in the chandelier. Okay, so these wires here, this is our line wire and our neutral wire. These will need to be connected to those house wires up there. And then this panel here, that's the control panel and all the panels to the fan and the light, and this is all connected, so I don't need to do anything to those. I just need to connect this plate in here and screw it on to line it up and screw it onto here to hold this into place, and then attach this to the bracket on the ceiling. Well, attach these wires first and then attach this bracket to the ceiling. Alright, I just went around and I screwed those all in. So this is what secures the fan and the chandelier to the ceiling. So all you really do is you connect that, and then you have this is inside here. This is a really nice installation because normally these are in the way and they're difficult. They block the brackets and everything. And so this is nice because it's in there. All you got to do is just hook up these two wires and then connect the screws there to hold it in place. So that's pretty nice. One other thing I would think that you probably want to put your lights in now. It'll be easier to put the lights in while it's up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right now. I'll install the lights real quick, and then I'll be ready to put it up there. This fan takes the small lights, so you need to put the small lights in there. And then we're going with a 60 watt, but these are the small bulbs there with the little nibs on there. All right, I went ahead and got the lights installed in there. I put all those in there. So I got that done, and then I think I'll just go ahead and put it up there, and then I'll take the plastic off. The fan comes with a hook right here so that you can hook it up here while you connect your wiring. This is how I hooked mine up here. I got the neutral wire there, the white one, connected to the white wire for the house. And then I got my line wire, the black one here. And then I connected it to this red wire that goes to the switch to the house. So I'm going to put a little bit of electric tape on here, and then I can put this up in here to the panel here. Okay, I got these taped up here. I'm just going to push them up in this little hole right here. And then I'll close all this up here and attach it to this metal screws here. You have two of these here to slide it into, and then you'll have two of these, one on each side. So once you get those screwed on, then it'll be nice and secure. All right, now I can get all this plastic off of here. All right, now it's just time to turn the power on and see how it looks. Oh wow, look at that. That sure is beautiful. Look at all that crystal up there. Oh wow. That is really nice. And that fan feels really good too. It's nice that it's got a fan in there. And it's got a remote here, so we can control the fan speeds, 1 through 6 there, so that's pretty powerful. And then we can control our light on and off, and then we got a timer on it. But yeah, look at that. Look how nice that is. It feels like real glass too, so this is pretty nice. Really good quality. I really like the way it looks. And those are in there really good too, so it doesn't look like it's going to fall out. Everything's nice and secure. It doesn't seem to wobble at all. And then you can change the light bulbs from in here, but just make sure you turn the fan off. But it's nice that it's got that fan in there. It feels really good. The nice thing about this chandelier is it actually has a ceiling fan inside of it so that we can get nice cool air, plus we can get the beautiful light. I mean, look at all that light, the way the light shines off all the glass and everything there. This is absolutely beautiful. That is an amazing looking fan.